This video will guide you through the process of replacing the evaporative emissions vent control valve on your 2014 Nissan Altima. The evaporative emission EVAP canister vent control valve is a solenoid-operated valve located on the EVAP canister near the left rear tire. The vent control valve responds to signals from the engine control module (ECM). When the ECM sends an on signal, the coil in the solenoid valve is energized and seals the EVAP canister vent. Begin by removing the EVAP canister vent control valve. If the engine has been running, let it cool sufficiently before starting work to avoid burns from hot parts. Always wear personal protective equipment, including rubber gloves and safety goggles, when working on a vehicle. Be sure the vehicle is on a level surface, with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. The EVAP canister is located beneath the vehicle, near the left rear tire. That the EVAP canister vent control valve can be removed without removing the EVAP canister. 1. Use a jack to lift the vehicle off the ground at all four wheels, and support the vehicle using jack stands. 2. Disconnect the electrical connector from the vent control valve. 3. Disconnect the breather hose from the vent control valve. 4. Turn the vent control valve counterclockwise to the unlock position. 5. Remove the vent control valve and O-ring from the EVAP canister. Discard the O-ring. Finally, install the new EVAP canister vent control valve. 1. Install a new O-ring on the vent control valve. 2. Install the vent control valve in the EVAP canister, then turn the valve clockwise to the lock position. 3. Reconnect the breather hose to the vent control valve. 4. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the vent control valve. This concludes the procedure for replacing the evaporative emission vent control valve on your 2014 Nissan Altima. Thank you for watching.